Hello everyone, welcome back. Next topic in regular expressions, reuse patterns using capture groups. Some patterns you search for will occur multiple times in a string. It is wasteful to manually repeat the regex. There is a better way to specify when you have multiple repeat strings in your string. You can search for repeat substrings using capture groups. Parentheses are used to find repeat substrings. You put the regex of the pattern that will repeat in between parentheses, like it's being done here. To specify where that repeat string will appear, you use a backslash and then a number. This number starts at 1 and increases with each additional capture group you use. An example would be \1 to match the first group. So this is a capture group, and when we want to use the group we use \1, means this will again be placed here. And when we use test method with this, it just returns true. When we use match method, then it will return an array with the string it matches, that is this one, along with capture group, which is regex in this, means this is the capture group. Okay. Task for this challenge: use capture groups in regex to match a string that consists of only the same number repeated exactly 3 times, separated by single space. So in this case, we create a capture group and we will give a string, means it will be digit, one or more digits can be there, and we have a second capture group for a space, and then \1 for again using this group, and \2 for again using this one, and again \1 because we are using this capture group again. So this should work. Let's run the test, and your regex should not match. So how can we not match in case of more than that? It terminates here. So if we put $, let's run the test and starts here. Okay, run the test and it's successful. Download my solution, and thanks everyone for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.